Aerones' robotic technology is transforming the way turbine blades are repaired, making the process safer for teams, faster for operators, and more consistent for the future of wind energy. Wind turbines are getting bigger, and challenging weather conditions make safety more important than ever. At the Dainville Wind Park in France, Aerones deployed its leading-edge repair robotic system to repair 12 Vestas V110 turbines for our customer TotalEnergies, one of the biggest energy producers not only in France but globally. The main objective? Perform blade leading-edge repairs with maximum efficiency while maintaining safety and consistent quality standards. After the robotic leading-edge repair process, the surfaces are fully restored, smooth, and ready to withstand the elements, a clear demonstration of precision and quality. We hope we've provided enough value to our partners.
Et en matière de sécurité, on n'a que des gens qui travaillent au sol, avec des périmètres de sécurité, etc. pour maîtriser les drop objects. Mais voilà, on n'a pas de travaux en hauteur, donc tout de suite c'est mieux. Je pense que tout ce que ça va simplifier la robotique sur les éoliennes, ça va simplifier quand même beaucoup tout ce qui est travaux en hauteur, ce qui se faisait aujourd'hui sur nacelle. Et je pense qu'à terme, à part les réparations de gros cracks qui se font sous tente, etc., beaucoup de choses qui sont aujourd'hui faites à la main en hauteur, sur les pales ou les réparations de nacelles, etc., pourront être faites par des robots ou des drones.
Ce qui est intéressant, c'est le fait d'avoir une solution innovante, d'avoir un partenaire qui est à l'écoute de nos problématiques et avec lequel on puisse avoir des discussions qui nous font avancer. Et surtout, le fait d'avoir une solution qui est copiable et répétable à souhait.
Our goal was to repair 1 blade per day. We surpassed that target, averaging more than 1.3 blades per day. Each blade was completed in 4 hours and 40 minutes on average, including curing and delays. Here's a breakdown of how Aerones' robotic leading-edge repair performed during this project at each step. The routine included setting up the work environment, followed by surface preparation, applying filler, completing a second grinding pass, cleaning the surface again, applying 1 layer of protective coating across 12 meters, and finally dismantling the robot and organizing all equipment back to the vans. By completing repairs with the same high quality and accuracy blade after blade, Aerones showed how robotic technology delivers not only speed, but also consistency operators can rely on. The project was also a big success because the erosion levels on the blades were around Cat 3, showing the value of preventive maintenance. The Dainville Wind Park project highlights how Aerones' robotic solutions deliver faster and more cost-efficient maintenance for leading energy operators worldwide. For TotalEnergies, this meant less downtime, optimized turbine availability, and a safer way forward. Aerones is proving that robotic repair isn't just possible. It's the smarter, safer, and proactive way to maintain wind energy.